Hi, hello to the channel. This is the first time I've ever done this before, but I'm thinking this is certainly the perfect time to share the excitement of being a CSTA mentor and coach for computer science teachers. So let me share a wonderful, exciting, fun package that I received. Here it is here. Here it is here. Mentors. So I love getting packages. I do. But because of not being home majority of the time, I don't get an opportunity to see packages come through the door. So when I got this one, and again, this is the CSTA giving a wonderful welcome, even though I've been in this role for a few months. But to get this beautiful, beautiful packaging, to show the appreciation was phenomenal. So, starting off, I received this wonderful mug, and I think it's so legendary, and it definitely has metal, which is super cool, awesome, because it's durable. And so I'm thinking, all right, so I got this on this side. Want to keep it right there. Then in this box, I also received a notebook. And if anyone knows me, I am extremely obsessed with writing. And I think I heard this the other day about if you spend 2 minutes just journaling, it is a mental health breakthrough, and I certainly believe that. So I also received this. I received this lovely thank you card, and it reads, "Thank you for taking the time to participate in the Mentors in CS program, especially amidst the many demands and responsibilities you balance every day as educators. Your commitment to professional learning and to supporting your peers exemplifies the spirit of this community. Through your participation, you strengthen connections, deepen knowledge, and help ensure that more students experience meaningful and inclusive computer science learning. Your dedication has made this community stronger and created an impact that extends far beyond your classroom and the program itself. With gratitude, the Mentors in CS team." I am so thankful. I'm not going to show the tears, but it's just like remarkable to be appreciated, you know? And so it's this way. So it's like wide rule, which I love. And it also comes with a lovely pen. And then last but not least, and I just want to make sure that I'm looking through this box because it was so beautifully, beautifully done. So last but not least, I received this wonderful, wonderful t-shirt. And it's in my size. And I like to wear my things big. I like big t-shirts. Sometimes I wear them for bedtime. But this here, this is an outing. Definitely an outing t-shirt. Hey, I may even take it when I go to New York. Actually, I know I am. I'm going to pack. I got to go there next week. Doing a lot of helping and coaching and mentoring other computer science teachers. So thank you for spending this little bit of time with me, and hopefully this may give you some ideas for maybe appreciating your team members or people in your company. It is a great surprise to get, and I hope you enjoy.